Hi, my name is Janine. I'm a customer of Common Sense Products. I've been coming here for many, many years. I've had many health issues resolved as a result of taking the herbs. And today I came in to purchase PMS, and it's really good for female organs and also Head Start. And Head Start helps me with congestion and sinus issues that I have. HBC, this helps me with the circulation throughout my body. Sometimes I have poor circulation, so that really helps. And then the FF2 also helps with the female organs. So I'm very pleased with everything that I've purchased, and I'm pleased with the results that I've received over the years.